Welcome to GCCars. My name is Eric, and today we're going to take a highway POV test drive in this 2021 Mercedes-AMG CLA35. And what are we going to do in this highway POV test drive? Well, first of all, we want to merge. And yeah, normally in these highway POV test drives, we do test all the assist systems we have, so like adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, lane centering assist, and all that. Thing is, as spec, this CLA35 does have absolutely none of that. We do have regular cruise control, but that's not really worth showing because, well, it's regular cruise control. We also have blind spot monitoring, and we have forward emergency braking, and that's it. So we can't really show you anything. So what are we going to do instead? It's just going to do a relaxed little drive. I'm just going to stay quiet for about 5 minutes, and we can just enjoy the ride and see how it is to drive the CLA35 on the highway. So enjoy. Okay, but I think with that we can conclude the highway POV test drive, so that I didn't have to show you anything this time around. Normally we have some kind of systems, but as spec, this doesn't come standard with any of these kinds of systems, and it's like a couple $1,000 package, so it wasn't spec'd on this car. But that's just sometimes how it is. Anyhow, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell. And if you want to hear all my thoughts about this Mercedes-AMG, make sure to check out the full review. It should be somewhere on your screen right now, where we go in depth, and of course we drive it on the right roads, we have some fun in it, and see if it's worthy of the AMG badge or not. Anyhow, thanks so much for watching. I hope you liked it, and I hope I'll see you in the next one. Thank you and goodbye.